are glowing like me. Where did red go?
My baby!
The jungle is testing our focus. Wow, the jungle is shining.
Wait, don't go too far.
Oh, stay together. This jungle reflects colors beautifully.
Look, it's too bright. The river is shining.
Cool colors calm the water.
Green brings balance. Primary colors restore balance.
Whoa! Right.
Together, harmony returns.
I followed the red flowers.
Ooh, don't wander alone.
Red means courage, but also caution.
To find the path, mix the right colors. Red plus yellow makes orange. I'll help.
Thank you.
Courage shines brighter than color. Kindness restores light.
You grow.
No more silly macking.
This tree is the heart of the jungle. Warm energy.
Cool calm. Fresh light.
Warm and cool unite. Nature shines.
This jungle changes colors when emotions change.
I feel scared.
Stay calm. Calm colors bring light.
You passed the color test. I learned colors aren't toys.
Energy needs balance. My babies shine brighter now. It feels cool and calm.
Blue represents peace.
It feels warm. Red carries energy. Each crystal holds a primary color. No touching mysterious buttons this time, Matt.
I lost my colors.
You look sad.
When colors are ignored, shadows grow.
Thank you for sharing light.
Look, even shadows need colors. I just wanted a colorful souvenir. Ooh, colors are fading. When we take without care, color disappears. I'll help fix it. To cross, match the right colors. Red flows into orange.
I'll stand the yellow. I see. I choose green.
When colors align, paths open.
The path is disappearing.
Focus on bright thoughts.
Yellow brings clarity. I'll balance the light.
Balance keeps the journey steady. What did we learn? Jungle adventure complete!